Make this begonia flower in this issue. This begonia flower has a similar technique to a plum blossom. The difference is that the petals are a little more slender. If you look at my method, you will understand. And the petal is ready. Let's have another one. Just cut off the excess here. Is this the middle stamen? This bud and petal are the same technique. Exactly the same. Adjust the size yourself. Now let me show you a different kind of bud. Let's get a stick. Then fold the nail a little longer. Look at my method. Pay attention to this direction. Then another half. So it finally comes together. Form petals in 3 directions. Adjust the shape. Round it up. A beautiful flower bone. Here, we cut off the root and leave a section. Bake it with a lighter. Because it's going to be wrapped with floral tape, bake the roots completely. You can make a few more flower bones like this. Then we make another one. Take a whole twisting stick. Fold the tip. Fold another knuckle difference length. Next, wrap the twist stick along. Leave a distance. Go through the hole in the middle. Adjust shape. Make it more rounded. Wrap floral tape. These various flower bones. You can do more. Trim the roots for it. This flower I glued for petals. Fold the stamens in half first. Align. Stick the stamen to the flower pole first. Now sticky petals. It doesn't have any tricks. Glue the petals. Then put it on. After all 4 petals are glued, let's adjust the shape of the petals. Next, bake the roots. Then here is also the same. Wrap floral tape under the roots. We stick red flower bones. Flower bone flower first hit some glue. Form a circle like this. Bake the roots. Tidy up. The flower bone takes 3 forms. You can do more of each. It sticks to a whole branch. If it is big or small, it will have more layers. Teach everyone to fold the leaves. Take a whole twist stick and fold it in half. Look at my method. Let it be in a natural curvature. Next, close at the bottom. Adjust the shape of the leaves. It needs to be baked here too. I'm used to clipping the leaves with a splint. We'll make it flatter. A little bright red here. The tips of the petals are the darkest. Then slowly transition down. Color, you can go to the back by yourself. I didn't finish it all either. And I'm going to show you how it's assembled. We found a picture online. Follow this picture to stick and wrap. Just fix it on that flower pole. I'll let you guys connect the dots yourselves. See you in the next episode.